Now that the sun is gone, it's getting really cold, so I put on another layer on my head because I can feel that my ears are getting really cold. Little snack, nice view. That looks cool. It's about 10 past 5 in the afternoon and it's gotten really dark already. I'm near the Autobahn, that's why it's so noisy, lots of traffic. Yeah, I'm now heading towards the woods, some small villages in between, and then I know there will be a few different lakes. And depending on how long it will take, I will just set up camp or my bivy at one of those lakes and then have dinner and chill out a little bit. One of the lakes now. It's only 6:30 or something, so still a little bit too early to search for a sleeping spot. So I will continue riding, but for now I'm just enjoying the beautiful starlit sky. It's very clear today. Very cold, but also very clear. Very nice, very beautiful. I'm at Schönbergkirche, Schönberg Church, which is a pretty big church here in the region, and should take me around 15 to 20 more minutes until I come to the little lake where I want to sleep. It's gotten completely dark and it's freezing cold. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, whatever. I think it's 7 something. 4, 5, 6, 7 p.m. Alright, good. Just arrived at the lake. It's actually quite a bit warmer near the water, so that's perfect. And I scouted around a little bit, found this rather flat space right next to the water, and that's where I will sleep tonight. So let's get everything set up and then let's eat something, because I'm very hungry. Okay, so here in the seat pack I have all my sleeping gear, my bivy and my sleeping bag and everything, so let's get it out and set it up. In the frame bag I have one additional layer, some wires, and also, well, I can't see it, like there, thermos flask, and in there is my soup. So, I set up the bivy. As you can see, it's quite humid as well. Set up the bivy. Now it's time to get out of these shoes and yeah, have dinner. So let's get cozy. While I'm having dinner, yeah, I want to show you my setup. So this is the bivy that I'm sleeping in tonight. It's the outdoor research Helium. Works great for me, and I put everything important inside. So my helmet, yeah, the small bag with all the batteries, camera gear. Here is the lake, so can't really see it right now, but it's right there. Like there's the water already. Bike is standing there. I'm right beneath this tree, and it's a beautiful, beautiful night. I just had dinner and then I enjoyed this awesome little place a little bit. Looked at the lake, at the stars. Now it's 9 p.m. It's getting really cold, so I'm going to sleep now. See you all tomorrow. Good morning. It is 7 o'clock, and yeah, I've been awake for a little, but yeah, couldn't bring myself to stand up. So beautiful. It was quite cold during the night, a little bit too cold for comfort, below freezing. And yeah, now I'm gonna eat something, search for a little bakery. I think there's one nearby, and continue riding. But first, let's pack up everything